welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about my $500 setup camera for YouTube versus my $1,000 setup.
Sunrise or the morning picture, a corner store in Newburgh, New York. Get ready for the story, according to me. The R-double.
Alright, so this is my old camera, Canon T4i. It was released back in June 2012. I got it, had it, took pictures with it mainly. And it's the camera I'm actually using right this moment to record this. So this is what you see. I know people use the T3i, so T4i should be better. This camera I use goes around $350, plus I have a 18 to 135 lens, should be maybe 50 more bucks, $100 more. So that's about 450. Then I'm using the popular favorite Rode MyGo, which is around $50. But yeah, so that's $500. So this is what you're seeing with this camera. This is the color quality. This is the audio that you get with this camera. So you can start doing YouTube with $500. So it's gonna be $500 versus a $1,000 setup that I currently use at this moment. All right, so we'll switch to the next camera, which is my Sony a6000, and you can see the quality of it now. All right, so this is the Sony a6000 with my custom settings, same ISO 400 like in the Canon T4i. It has my Sigma 30mm 1.4, but right now the aperture is set up at 3.5, same as my other lens in the Canon, so it'll be at least similar in that aspect. But now we're shooting with this guy. What can I say? So this was released in April 2014, I believe. So obviously they're 2 years apart from each camera. Not so long. I had the Sony a6000 back in a year and a half ago, so 2016, 2017. This is the camera I decided to start YouTube with. I heard great things about it, so I went for it. You know, $500 with a kit lens. Great camera. But this setup that I'm using right now for recording, this is around $1,000, and I'm gonna tell you why. Camera, $500. All right, lens, $330. That's right there, $800, $830. Monitor, I do have a monitor. I have a monitor because I like looking at myself to see where I'm gonna be looking at, how does it look, and stuff like that. Especially when I'm by myself. When I'm by myself, don't have anyone behind the camera, so I have to make sure that I'm actually recording. You know, main thing. Because I don't know how many times it has happened where I thought I was recording and there's nothing in the memory card. But it does the trick. It does what it's supposed to do. I have my grid. I can see from the center to the side, whatever I want. So it's $130 in Amazon. $960 for this camera. I love this camera. I fucking love it. You know, and that's why I invested so much money on it. The thing that sucks, the main thing that sucks is there's no microphone input. So the audio that you are listening to right now, it comes from the camera. And I know that's the worst thing you could do. Like, that's a no, big no. But unfortunately, that's what I do. I don't want to spend $100 on a little external mic to have it up there. I should. So, so basically that's where the Canon went. It has to have a little microphone on it. Awesome. So another thing with the Canon, I don't have to buy. I had to spend $130 for the monitor because it has their own little flip-out screen. Granted, it's not as big as this guy, but that's the trick. It does the trick. And not to mention that before buying this Sigma 30mm, didn't know much about videography or recording videos. So I had what the most popular lens out there was a Sony 10-18. Which cost me $700. So let's say that, you know, this camera, this setup that I use for recording with the Sony has cost me around $1,600. But for the sake of price for the video, I'm only naming what's on the tripod at this moment, which is the monitor, the camera, and the lens. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.
Sunrise or the morning picture, a corner store in Newburgh, New York. Get ready for the story.